Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Jeep Wrangler's coolant thermostat. First, gather your essential tools, including various wrenches, a pair of pliers, and a suitable drain pan. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to prevent burns. Next, locate the thermostat housing, which is typically found on the engine block near the upper radiator hose connection. Now you'll need to drain some coolant. Place your drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain cock, allowing about 1/2 of the coolant to flow out. Once drained, use pliers to loosen the clamp on the upper radiator hose and carefully disconnect it from the thermostat housing. Finally, use a wrench to unbolt the thermostat housing from the engine block, setting the bolts aside safely. With the housing removed, carefully take out the old thermostat and its gasket. It's important to thoroughly clean both mating surfaces on the engine block and the housing to ensure a perfect, leak-free seal. Now, install your new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, and place a fresh gasket into position. This step is vital for proper engine temperature regulation. Once the new thermostat is in place, reattach the housing to the engine block and reconnect the upper radiator hose securely. Next, refill your cooling system with the coolant you drained earlier, or add new coolant if preferred. Start the engine, allow it to warm up, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, carefully inspect all connections for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.